Hello everybody, I'm here with my design expert, Miss Leah Krennick. Today is an exciting day. We're gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour, reveal which apartment I chose and is mine, and then measure things out, plan it. We are at the apartment building and we're gonna go upstairs and show you guys which one I got. If you couldn't guess already, I feel like it was kind of obvious.
Yeah, it was.
And this time I'm gonna film it better and slower because I just kind of went like boom, 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 boom.
I'm so excited.
All right, we'll see you in there. It's apartment number 2. Da-da-da-da. I feel like it was pretty obvious that the second I walked in here, this was the place for me. I was really excited about it. It fit my needs well, had everything that I loved about my old apartment here, but then also some upgrades because I was very convinced that I would never find a place as good as my old place. Okay, we're gonna give you the tour. Here's the front door. Hopefully this will hold my little entryway table. I don't know, this will be interesting because this is the dishwasher. Everyone liked this apartment the best, but someone did say it is weird that you walk right into your kitchen, which I agree is probably the only con.
Yeah, but you have all this.
Yeah, but then you have all that, so it's still pretty open. So here's the door, and then right here is an entrance to the bathroom. I don't know, maybe we could do something there. We've got a storage closet right here, and this has like pretty ample storage. I could put something, you know, some bins up there. It's a nice little coat closet, which is great because I do have a lot of coats. I'm not sure if my wire rack will fit right here. I feel like it won't, so that's a little bit of a bummer. I might have to find something else because I do have all those bins that have everything organized, and I do like that system. I haven't even honestly like opened these, but nice cabinets. I thought this was really cute. I might have to get some fun little drinking glasses or something to display on those shelves. I love the countertops. This is pretty much what I had at my old place, and they were nice. We've got more storage here. We actually have more drawers. Last time, I think I only had 3 drawers in my whole kitchen. So it is a small kitchen, but I'm kind of used to that because I think there's, oh yeah, there is storage. Oh, just kidding, no storage right there. Good thing Leah's really creative because she did my whole kitchen. This is another tiny kitchen. I think the fridge is super nice. We got a little ice maker here. I also don't know where I'm gonna put the trash. The trash could go there, but then it's in my living room. So I feel like the trash almost has to go here. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Leah will show us around. Oh yeah, this is a fancy mirror. You have to hold it. It should illuminate. Figure this out. Oh,
the switch.
That's it. Switch is on, and then you can hold it, and it dims. Good drawers. Hopefully all my organizers will fit in there. Yeah, the bathtub's really nice. Shower head looks interesting. Oh, uh-oh. Oh! Aggressive, that's pretty good. I'm gonna close this door because it's confusing me because there are 2 entrances to the bathroom because this is my bedroom. We got a nice towel rack here. My mom said that she thinks I should do a curtain rod here. What are your thoughts?
Push them back further.
You can?
You would have to.
Oh.
You might need somebody
Stronger. Oh, go Leah. Oh my God. Get it, girl.
That could work.
Yeah, that could work.
You can store some stuff on top.
I know, then I could put stuff on top and I could just do a tension rod. And then my friend Scout has this really nice little cart. I need to ask her where she got it from because she, like, it rolls here and then she puts a bunch of her cleaning products on it. Because I feel like we might need to utilize every ounce of storage. Then the best part, the living room. I'm thinking the couch is gonna sit on the other side right here of this gray part, and then it'll probably go to right there. I could do either like a bar cart right here, or I could do a bar cart right there on the other side of the kitchen. I definitely think I need a bigger rug because I had a very small rug, but we'll see. I'm gonna measure it out. I brought some tape to put down for the corners of the couch so we can kind of see what we need, because I'd love to do a chair. To do like TV's gonna go here, so I really need to measure this out too because I need a TV stand. I don't have one. Or I could also do a bar cart here.
Are you not allowed to mount the TV?
We could mount the TV, but I don't really like mounted TVs. So
you can't put it here because you don't want to block.
But I don't care about blocking that because I don't really mess with the heat very much. Like
that's your TV.
I pretty much never touched my thermostat. It could block that, and I don't think I'd be mad about it, and I could kind of reach behind the TV and mess with it if I needed to. Yeah, we'll have to measure. That's my kitchen.
Put your table there and then you can see the TV from the table too.
Oh yeah, I forgot that the table's gonna go here, so this really can't be the bar cart because I forgot I have the little table chair set. It's very small.
The bar cart over there.
Yeah, I think the bar cart there would be cute. Okay, this is my closet. This is also very exciting where Leah's skills will really come in.
There's just a hanging rod.
I know, that's why we're gonna have to get creative. So I have my dresser, and I thought about maybe putting my dresser in here. And
what dresser?
remember the drink dresser? that was in the living room.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But that was like supposed to be for clothes. It just wouldn't fit anywhere.
Yeah.
I think we should do the dresser somewhere. Rack
There was
space.
more shelves.
I mean, we could install more shelves.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
You get shoe things to put out.
I have one shoe rack and it's just simple and clean and white, but I could get another one and stack it on top. But you know how that organizational show with those girls, they make everything look so beautiful?
Yeah, but they really do it for looks, not function.
But I feel like we could do both.
We can.
This is a bedroom, really nice size compared to what I had. It looks like there's snow over there, but
Yeah,
it's not.
I like
I
it.
kind of like it. There's a lot of possibilities here. My one requirement is that I need a full-length mirror. I'm trying to decide if we should do one nightstand or if I should get a matching nightstand, or if that's too much furniture and that's unnecessary.
So you do one nightstand and put your desk in front of the window.
I was actually thinking the desk would go here, but I'd have to measure it. See, this is the spot that I could put the little corner thing that my dad made me.
Yeah.
But it's a little awkward because this is where the water heater is. I brought some paper and some pencil, and Leah and I are gonna sit and measure. Isn't this great that I have this amazing friend here?
Oh, wannabe architect.
She is talented at it. If actually this could be the start of your business.
Oh my god, somebody has a pug. Pug is pooping. Okay.
The lighting is good in here.
Well, yeah. And I don't know what direction we're facing.
We're facing east.
I don't know what that means. Like, what does that mean for sun?
Oh, that's
It
right.
rises?
The sun rises right there.
Okay.
The sun rises like south kind of, but you'll get it in the morning. It'll be really bright in here. But there's no sun right now. So it's still pretty bright for no sun. All right, time to get to the drawing board. It's like brand new. Oh my god, it's like,
Yeah, it's not even.
it's brand new.
Nobody's used it.
Oh, well, that's real nice. We're gonna start with the bedroom because it's easier. And I might have to Google search my dimensions for my bed. Good thing they still make it.
What, it's a full or?
Yeah, it's a full.
This is a true test of my drawing skills. Oh boy.
Hello, you got a lovely style and I should know. I've been riding all of your mama's advice. If you tell me.
Ooh, this thing does come out far. Okay. Well, that answers one of our questions about a desk there. The only thing going there is maybe a bench.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that is pretty far. But doesn't that seem like the skinniest bed? And it almost seems like a twin.
Yeah, that's not right.
Yeah, something is not right about that.
That is a twin width.
I'm gonna triple check. Oh, I found the error. 57 wide. That sounds a little more accurate. That's the bed.
When I'm in the mood for a babe, when I'm in the mood.
1.25 inches.
If I do the two nightstands, one will be here. So, I would do, should I just do one and then see what I think? Yeah. Oh, that's not far. What? No. Why does it look so small in the picture?
I know, it looks like a cute little
It looks like a tiny little desk. Oh no, it says 18. So I don't know why it said 23 in the other dimensions.
And 47, not 52.
Oh, okay. There we go. We made a productive discovery that we can only do one nightstand because, or I mean, the bed could be shifted over, but when we measured out where the desk would come out, it would just be too skinny by the bed. And I'd rather not overcrowd things. Oh, but I don't have that much room to push it over. Wow.
Think about that too.
Yeah, but I'm doing this. Worst comes to worst, I put the desk out somewhere else. The design expert is showing me what the desk would look like in front of the window, which honestly isn't a bad idea. I feel like it's very different for me, but it might be how this gets sorted out. And then Leah was saying put a mirror by my closet, which makes sense. And then my bed would be in the background too.
I say you get the desk no matter what. It'll
Yeah.
fit. It's just a matter, you just have to play Tetris and see which way you like.
I agree.
better.
I think it'll
And then
fit
decorate
somewhere.
around the furniture.
Yeah, I have a lot of wall space to decorate.
What's that cool thing from your Eugene apartment that was above your bed?
Yes. Actually, that's not a bad idea.
Very cool, but it's very like free people vibes.
Yeah, that could go, it could go over my couch, but it does cover a nice piece of wall space. 122 inches, 10 feet, 2 inches.
God bless Leah.
61.75.
Hold the note home. Fuck talking your elbows, yeah, we're hell in the ozone.
Leah and I are all planned out. We are gonna go get some food. I'm starving right now. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new apartment. I'm really excited about it. I'm not moving until December, which gives me a little bit of time. So I'm happy about that. But I thought I would announce what the apartment looks like and the planning process. If you wanna see some moving vlogs, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting more updates on there as well. Oh, I have the question of the day. Do you think it would be worth it for me to wait 4 months to get the TV stand that I want? And it could be longer since this happened. with the couch and it ended up being longer. And then you guys can give us any design advice. What do you think about the desk in front of the window? Let us know. Yeah, should Leah change career paths instead of public health and be an interior designer? That's the main question. I hope you answer that. Bye guys.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking?